Meteorologist Eric Alf back with us today. Eric, some cooler and cloudy conditions that we're seeing today, but could that change as we go throughout the rest of the week?
Just got to wait about 3 more days. Then we got sunshine and lower 90s in the forecast. So big change. But second day in the row. Clouds.
You said 90s.
I said 90s, yeah.
Man, not looking forward to it being that hot.
Yeah.
I've been liking the 80s and the 70s, but we'll see what.
And you know what? I have a soft spot for this kind of weather today. A little bit of drizzle, clouds, and cooler temperatures. Nice way to ease into some of the hotter conditions that we are forecasting for Wednesday and especially into Thursday, just in time for the first day of summer.
Absolutely.
Which is Friday, right?
Wow, it's coming up quick.
It's coming up quick, yes. So I know there's a camp of people that like the cooler weather, a camp of people that like the hot and humid weather. So we got all of it this week.
Perfect.
There you go. Let's take a look at what's going on. Lots of clouds across the mid-Atlantic. We got onshore winds from a high pressure system in the Gulf of Maine. So that's what's providing the cool temperatures and these cloudy skies. South of the boundary, we got sunshine and warmer temperatures. Well into the 80s across North Carolina and upper 70s, even in southern Virginia. But for us and across the mid-Atlantic, we got 60s. And all of these clouds, you're going to be lucky if you see any breaks of sunshine anywhere across the peninsula, down through Accomack County, Somerset, Worcester County. Lots of clouds, but maybe a little bit of sunshine trying to peek out across Crisfield. So again, these are one of the lucky locations that are seeing a little bit of blue sky at this hour right now. But elsewhere, just overcast skies, areas of little bit of drizzle north in Sussex County and towards Talbot County, a little bit of light rain trying to come in as well. This is the scene at Ocean City on our East Coast Plumbing Sky Cam, a stiff easterly breeze out there. And we got some fog and low cloud deck, so kind of a gloomy scene out there. Temperatures are in the upper 60s, closer to 70 degrees towards Accomack County, so it is a cool feel out there, especially for this time of the year. And we've got that onshore wind as well. So just clouds with areas of drizzle for the rest of the day today. Not really going to see any sunshine at all. It's just kind of an overcast scene. Again, maybe a few lucky spots, see a little hint of blue sky out there. Going into tomorrow, we could see a stray shower into the morning hours, and by the afternoon, we should get a little bit more sunshine to come into the mix. So that's something to look forward to. A complex of thunderstorms developing west of the base should be dying out as they cross into our neck of the woods, so not really expecting much activity with that going into Tuesday night. Wednesday, more sunshine with a few clouds and maybe the chance for a random pop-up thunderstorm during the afternoon. And it's around that time frame where we're really going to see those temperatures crank up. 92 on Wednesday and into the lower 90s. Friday on Thursday as well. These are the forecasted temperatures for Thursday. Widespread lower to maybe even a few mid-90s. Across the board. That's going to be the hottest day of this week. We're thinking that's going to be combined with some tropical-like humidity as well for Wednesday into Thursday. Dew points above 70 degrees. So that's going to provide some really warm and muggy nights along with heat indices pushing close to maybe the mid and upper 90s for those feels-like temperatures, especially on Thursday. Bit of a drop-off on Friday into Saturday in the wake of a cold front that pushes through Thursday evening, which will spark some showers and some thunderstorms moving on out here Thursday night into Friday, and some of those thunderstorms could be on the stronger side. There's an outlook for severe weather released by the Storm Prediction Center for Thursday. The main threat being damaging wind gusts with any of the strongest thunderstorms. Given there's so much heat and humidity in place ahead of that cold front, there's going to be a lot of energy to work with for those thunderstorms to become strong and severe. So definitely something we're going to be keeping an eye on. For the rest of the day today, at best, we'll go into lower, maybe mid-70s, especially further away from the water yard towards the midshore. Cloudy and cool with muggy conditions. Still, it is a bit humid out there. Areas of drizzle out there for tonight, 64 to 69 degrees with cloudy skies out there. Mild and muggy out there. And then we crank up the heat going into Wednesday and Thursday, especially. Lower 80s for Tuesday with more breaks of sunshine by the afternoon and the chance for a stray shower, particularly during the morning hours. A stray thunderstorm possible for Wednesday afternoon. And then going into Thursday, that thunderstorm threat is mainly going to be towards the evening hours, and some of the storms could be on the stronger side. We'll definitely keep an eye on that. A bit cooler for Friday with less humidity, but it's getting warm. Close to 90 degrees by the time we get to Sunday, Blake.